Carnism. The concept of carnism is a psychological mechanism that humans use to separate animals from meat. It's a way of justifying the consumption of someone's body. And actually, I talk about this at shows before. Something that's come up recently is a lot to do with terminology, the way that we define acts committed by humans against non-human animals or against each other. And something that terminology is incredibly important because it's so weighty, it has so much meaning behind it. But there are no words to describe exploitation and slavery and the way that we treat animals. There aren't words powerful enough to define the suffering that is committed by humans against non-human animals. At some point we need to realise that there are atrocities in this world that blind us. They are so horrific. It's important that we consider each one separately, and that's something I've learned recently. It's all to do with considering all of these acts, not bunching them all together. And something interesting thing about punk is that we're constantly learning from our own actions and from each other, and that's something that I've kind of realised in regards to animal rights and human rights and all of these things, is that we still have so much to learn, we still have so much to share, and that's the great thing about punk, is a way of considering those ideas and sometimes being wrong and sometimes being right. So this song is called Eating Children, and it's about considering the fact that sometimes the food on your plate isn't actually food, it was a person.